The Gravity Forms reCAPTCHA add-on helps prevent spam submissions by integrating Google reCAPTCHA v3 with your forms. To install the add-on, first navigate to the add-ons page, click Install, and then click Activate. Next, you'll need to generate a Google API key pair from the Google reCAPTCHA admin page. A link can be found in the description. Be sure to select reCAPTCHA v3 when you register. Once your site is registered, you'll be given a site key and a secret key. From the WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to the Forms menu and click Settings. Under the reCAPTCHA settings, enter your site key and secret key in the reCAPTCHA v3 field. You can set your score threshold and whether or not you want to display the Google reCAPTCHA badge on your site. If you choose not to display the badge, be sure that your site meets Google's terms and conditions for using the reCAPTCHA branding. Next, click Save Settings and the page will reload and display green check marks next to the keys to indicate that they have successfully been validated with Google. Finally, you can choose to disable reCAPTCHA v3 on a form-by-form basis by navigating to a form settings page, selecting the reCAPTCHA tab, and checking the option to disable reCAPTCHA v3 for that form. Google reCAPTCHA v3 is now fully integrated with Gravity Forms and ready to be used on your site.